Hello, hi friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the workflow of Java. I'll start. First, see the diagram. So this is the workflow of Java. Java runs mainly with the help of JDK tool. We want to install JDK tool software in your operating system. Then only you can able to do Java program. So this JDK tool, it consists of JRE and JVM. What is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE provides you the compiler for your Java program. By using this compiler, you can able to execute your Java program. You can convert your Java program into machine level code using the compiler. So every time if you compile your Java program, a dot class file will be generated automatically by JRE. So this dot class file contains machine machine readable code, which is binary code. It is not understandable by humans. Only your operating system can understand and execute the program. So within JRE we have JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. This JVM provides the memory for your Java program. We'll see what is JVM. JVM contains four types of memory: heap, stacks, static pool, and constant string pool. Heap memory is used to store objects and arrays, not anything else. It will store only objects and arrays from your Java program. Once your JVM starts or once you run your Java program, the heap memory of your JVM will go and search for objects and arrays from your Java program and collect it, and it will store it inside the heap memory. So once you terminate your JVM or once you terminate your Java program, by default Java will call the garbage collector interface. It is one of the interface in which is present inbuilt in Java. Garbage collector is an interface. It is present by default in Java. So it is called automatically when you terminate your Java program or JVM. And what it will do, it will delete or it will clean your heap memory. Static pool stores static members from your Java program. What is static members? Static variables, methods, blocks are all called as static members. What is static variables, methods? blocks. We'll see that in upcoming videos, and these are used for developing your Java program. These are set of values, a kind of values. So static pool will collect all these static members from your Java program and store it inside your static pool. I have given one static variable example. Static variable starts with keyword static in front of it. Likewise, static methods, static blocks, in everything in front of static method or in front of static block, compulsory static keyword will be present. Constant string pool. Constant string pool is a part of heap memory. It will store only string values, not any other values. If two or more strings having same string value, for example, I have given here string A is ABC and string B is ABC. It is having these both strings are these are two different strings but having same value. So in that case, your constant string pool will allot only one memory and it will store ABC, and string A and string B is both will point the same memory location. In that memory location, what is present? Here ABC is present. Since both string values are same, it is going to allot only one memory in constant string pool, and it is referred to both string A and string B. No different memory is created for A and B separately. Only one is created and shared between A and B because contents are same ABC ABC. For so that if contents are different, you can see in example 2, if string A is ABC and string B is DEF. If contents are different, then constant string pool is going to give two different memory location for two different strings. For string A separate memory location and string B separate memory location because two string values are different. Finally, stack. Stack is not a memory in JVM. We saw heap, constant string pool, static pool. All these are all these provide memory and it will store some separate kind of data. But stack is it is not a storage place. It is used for execution purpose. Whereas heap, static pool, constant string pool are all meant for storage. All are going to store a specific type of data, which we saw already. But stack is not used for storage, it is used for execution purpose. It follows last in first out data structure mechanism for doing the execution. Last in first out means if you are there, if you have 10 records in a table, if you are inserting your 11th record, So, and if you want to remove any data from your table, so that time the data which you have entered recently, that is your 11th record, will get removed. That is how you can able to remove the record. The data which is inserted recently will be removed first. In order to insert the data in stack, we use push method. In order to remove a data from stack, we use pop method. The examples of that and all we will see later. As of now, remember this. Stack is used for execution purpose. It uses last in first out data structure mechanism for executing your Java program. So that's all workflow of Java and JVM. In my next video, we will see what is class, what is types of variables, and we will do the programming for the types of variables. And as of now, I will do one simple hello world program. Okay, we'll share that in the following video. Thank you.